This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain what is the best thing to invest in right now. Assess your risk tolerance, time horizon, and liquidity needs before choosing investments. Start by listing goals, emergency savings, and debt levels, then compare broad options like stocks, bonds, real estate, and cash. Consider low-cost index funds for diversification, high-yield savings for safety, and rental properties for income if you can manage tenants and maintenance. I'll walk through key investment types and who they suit. Stocks offer growth but more volatility, so they fit longer horizons and higher risk tolerance. Bonds provide income and stability, useful for preserving capital and balancing portfolios. Real estate can generate cash flow and tax benefits but needs time and management. Cash and savings give liquidity and safety, though returns lag inflation. Consider tax-advantaged accounts and diversification across assets to reduce risk. Quick recommendation: if you're finding this helpful, please subscribe and like to support the channel. On another note, these leak-proof meal prep containers make packing food easier and mess-free, perfect for busy investors on the go. They stack neatly in backpacks and save money by avoiding takeout. Check the description for the link and other deals, and consider grabbing a set if you cook ahead. Now let's get back to the video. Next, I will explain practical steps to build a resilient portfolio. Start with asset allocation based on goals and risk, then pick low-cost index funds or ETFs for broad exposure. Use dollar-cost averaging to mitigate timing risk and rebalance annually, or when allocations drift significantly. Keep emergency savings equal to 3 to 6 months of expenses and avoid high-interest debt before investing. Regularly review goals and adjust contributions as income or priorities change.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.